Hey, scrappy people, Tracy Reed here today, here with an unboxing of my brand new February 2023 collection called Smitten. And of course, Valentine's lovey collections are my favorite collections to design, besides maybe fall or Halloween. It's kind of a toss-up. So I had to go all out with a beautiful Valentine's, it's not Valentine's Day, but it's definitely very lovey collection. And this just came out so perfectly. I can't wait to show it to you. So if you're new here, my collections are digital / printable, and my printables come ready to print on PDF sheets. You don't need any sort of computer knowledge, Photoshop knowledge to use my printables. They are very easy to use for even a novice on the computer. So I offer patterns in traveler's notebook size as well as 12 by 12 and pattern card size 4 by 6 and 3 by 4. I offer traveler's notebook size signatures or journal cards, and then I have 2 sets of journal cards in 3 by 4 and 4 by 6, as well as a set of stickers that is always 3 sticker sheets chock full of goodie, over 100 stickers in the sticker sheets this time, and it's just so fun. So let's check it out. Of course, we're going to start with the patterns because it gives us a real good feel for what the collection looks like. The color palette in the Smitten collection is one of my favorite color palettes to work with. You can see this beautiful Tiffany-ish blue. It's a little bit more muted than that, but it's a Tiffany-ish blue with reds and blushes and pinks. And I also, in this collection, have just a few pops of chocolate brown because it has this beautiful wood grain, whitewashed wood with brown, like brown wood with whitewashing. Yeah, that makes perfect sense. So there are pops of brown in this collection as well, but it's not an overwhelming color in the collection. So my papers come as 12 by 12s or as printable traveler's notebook size or patterned card size. So the pattern cards come in both 3 by 4 and 3 by 4, 4 by 3, and 4 by 6, 6 by 4. Any patterned card that has a pattern with a specific orientation, like this one has a specific orientation, on the printable sheets come in both horizontal and vertical. You get all the cards in all of the sizes, but on the printable sheets especially, you get both orientations so that you can just go ahead and click print and get a 4 by 6 and a 6 by 4 of the same pattern to work with whatever project you are working on. Same goes for the 3 by 4s. I only print out the 4 by 6s because I can cut the 4 by 6s in half and get 3 by 4s, but some people prefer to print out the 3 by 4s, so I offer those as well. In this collection, there are actually 21 patterns because there is an alternate pattern in here. So there's 21 patterns. I normally do 20, and there are a bunch of solids, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can see all the reds and pinks here. Then we've got 2 different shades of brown, 6, 7, and 2 different shades of this beautiful Tiffany blue, 8, 9, and then a nice textured cream to go with the collection. So that is the color palette. Isn't it stunning? Here are the papers. Let me zoom in a little bit. Okay, so of course, flowers and hearts and flowers for Valentine's Day. So there had to be Valentine's flowers, and I could not resist putting these flowers on this gorgeous blue. It is just so pretty. Instead of a Swiss dot, we've got a Swiss heart, so pink and red. This is the stripe in the collection. It has some fun stitching design in between the color blocking. Of course, I could not resist a gingham. This is pink on pink. I love the little talk bubbles with the hearts in this collection. So I had to make a whole paper of them. It reads kind of like a dot or a heart, multicolored heart, so it works perfectly. Then there are these beautiful vine flowers, but instead of flowers, they have hearts on the top. Lots and lots of hearts in this collection. Hearts are my favorite thing to design with. Now we have a polka dot on that beautiful blue. A wordy paper says, "You are my favorite, oh my darling, love you forever and always." Another heart paper. Oh, I love this one. Red and white. Of course, I had to do a different floral as well. So this one has little stems and they're little tiny ones, more of a calico style print. Arrows, heart arrows. Wreaths. I love the way that it's both florals and polka dots. And here are the two alternates. So we have just a plain wood grain, and then we also have, oh, they're all mixed up. We also have a wood grain with an offset heart, which it'd be fun to use these two together. So cute. All right, my favorite, the little postage truck or postal trucks, and there's little hearts or little postage stamps and envelopes as well. It's kind of small in this scale, but you can see them. They're very cute. Plaid, of course. This is kind of a wonky stripe plaid. Pennants. They say love, fave, forever, XOXO, you and me, smitten. Lips. Look at those cute little lips and multicolors. Heart buntings. Here is the solo brown paper that's in the collection in case you are wanting to incorporate that wood grain and have a little bit more brown too. And so it's just a simple flower. And then a postal stripe, airmail. So those are the patterns in the Smitten collection. Again, they are also available in pattern card and 12 by 12 size. Let's look at the Traveler's Notebook signatures. So my Traveler's Notebook signatures are always a mix of alternate colorways for the patterns, as well as designer cards with the quotes on them and journal cards. So this says, you have my whole heart for my whole life. Little journal card with the bunting. More red and light pink version of that gingham. The stripe turned into a plaid. I could not decide which plaids I liked better, so you got both. Talk bubbles with the hearts and labels, so you can cut these out if you want to use them as labels, or you can just make yourself a list. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I always try to make 10. I feel like 10 is a good even list, but you could also cut it in half and do 5. Or, you know, any number under 10. There's that beautiful heart dot again on that gorgeous light Tiffany blue with red hearts. So Smitten. There is the floral too, and I loved it on this light pink, so we have it there. XOXOXO on that wood grain. I love you a bushel and a peck with the heart, or not the hearts, the strawberries, chocolate covered strawberries. Love, 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 love. And then an ode to a postcard with the airmail. So those are the Traveler's Notebook signatures, and let's look at the journal cards. So there's 2 sets of journal cards. Each set of journal cards comes with 2 4x6s and 8 3x4s. So these are the 4x6s in the journal card set. We've got love on wood grain, positively smitten with you, special delivery, and we live for perfect moments like these. So I always like to have 2 sort of quote cards and 2 journal cards. And also there is an even amount of journal and quote cards in my 3x4s as well. So there's 4 of each in each pack. So we've got with love. I love this story. Sweetheart. For like ever. All the journal cards are on top, it looks like. Well, most of them. I love these cute labels. So you can have it this way or you can have it this way. Whatever works for you. Tag. Adore this. Heart bunting. All of the journal cards are on top, except for that one Smitten one. Then we've got my life would suck without you. With the suckers, haha. Postage stamps for you, sweet, very cute. Text me. Just a little love note. Love you to the moon. February. Just like the January card from the renewal collection. I'm going to have one every month this year in all of my collections in case you're like me and you love consistency. You and me. And oh, my darling. Lastly, before we head over to the computer to check out the digital kit, let's look at the stickers. All right, so here you see we have the sticker set for the Smitten collection. There are over 100, I think 110 stickers. There's definitely over 100. Over 100 stickers. Of course, there is a great mix of tags and icons. There's hearts over here. There are word bits and boxes, and you know, I love making these stickers. I love making them different and fun every time. They're, you know, they're not the same thing every time. Look at how darling the mail truck is, and we've got the moon with the hanging hearts. There is a wreath, and then of course there's a ton of words like forever, so smitten, very cute. You know, because I love me a good pun. There are some pennants over here with words as well. We've got oh my darling, be mine Valentine, all you need is love, I'm just a sucker for you, everyday moments, so loved, you and me. So there's a great mix of, you know, really lovey-dovey sentiments and also sentiments that you can use anytime for everyday sort of stuff too. There is XOXO. What do we have? We have balloons down here and then patterned balloons. There's hearts that are half color, half wood. There are some floral clusters as well. Cute little chocolate dipped strawberry, and then two different donuts. This one is like a chocolate donut, and then somewhere around here, there it is, we have a regular donut. Just, yeah, look at this little arrow. Love, life is so sweet, forever. Really cute mix of stickers we've got going on here. Let's look at some close-ups. So these are what they look like close up, zoomed in a bit. Just so fun, and I love to jam pack my sticker sheets for, you know, most bang for your buck, and also to maximize your printing and paper, your ink and paper usage. You know, every sticker sheet is just jam-packed so that you're not wasting paper. So stinking cute. Also, I wanted to note before we hop over to looking at the digital kit, I also printed these on clear sticker paper. Now, these are stickers down here, and there's more stickers on this sheet. I haven't cut these out yet, and there is a tutorial that I filmed that is up on my YouTube today as well, or tomorrow. It will be up on my YouTube tomorrow, that talks about how to effectively print and cut digital embellishments, whether it's on a clear sticker paper or on you know, regular sticker paper. So these painty embellishments are from the digital kit, which we will look at in a second. These stamps are from the digital kit, washi from the digital kit, but there's also a good mix of stickers as well. So I just wanted to show you that you don't have to print just on you know, cardstock or on white sticker paper. You can also print on clear sticker paper. You can print on vellum sticker paper, or just vellum itself. You can print on all kinds of things and get really creative with these collections. So let's move over to the computer and check out the digital kit. So I have to say, I am loving designing digital kits this year. I feel like I'm back in my niche when it comes to the digital kits, and I'm including so much fun stuff in these, even for paper scrapbookers. In a second here, I will show you what that looks like, but let's talk about all of the textures and all of the fun stuff in this collection. There's of course a ton of mixed media that you saw on the clear sticker sheet just a second ago. There's also faux, like, heart pillows, which I'll show you in a second. There is a lot of glitter, and there are there's so many things I can't decide what to talk about first. There's enamel pins, which you can see in the mail truck down at the bottom, as well as the postage stamps. There is faux enamel. There is felt. The felt pennants, which you can see right above the alphabet. I love the little beaded words too. I did them in both white and that chocolate brown. There's some chipboard that I like to always include. There are clear stickers. There are stamped words. You can see the clear sticker stamped XOXO on the left-hand side. And then I really love the flowers, the photorealistic flowers in this collection as well. You can see them, some of them have sort of lace, some of them are fan folds with glitter edges. They're just so fun. Let me show you what they look like when you print them. Did you know that you can print these as well? You can, so let's check that out. So I also wanted to point out that yes, the digital embellishments are printable. These are all embellishments from the digital kit. The difference between the stickers and the digital elements is that the digital elements are mostly designed for digital scrapbookers who want some realism in their digital layouts, because obviously they're not working with real buttons, so they want some realistic embellishments. So, but they are still fully printable. They do not come on printable sheets. So you just make your own sheet of what you want to print and cut, or what you just want to print and fussy cut. And these are all things that I print and cut via Silhouette just by dragging and dropping embellishments into my Silhouette program and making a cut sheet. So super cute. You can also use these in your paper scrapbooking if you are a paper scrapbooker, and they will work perfectly too. Now I will say that the embellishments from the digital kit are a bit on the larger side because they're meant for 12 by 12 scrapbooking, whereas the stickers are meant for 12 by 12 and also smaller. So they're on the smaller side. These are on the larger side. So you want to keep that in mind. If you are scrapbooking at like a traveler's notebook size, you'll want to resize things down a little bit. Like this frame is never going to fit in a traveler's notebook page. So just something to keep in mind as well. So those are the printed digital kit embellishments. And that is the whole collection. So if you enjoyed this video, I'd love it if you give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. I would love to have you. If you don't already, you can follow me over on Instagram. I'm at Traci Reed. I'd love to see you over there as well. You can find the Smitten collection via the link in the description box below. It is 40% off all weekend for the Sweet Shop anniversary sale. So you're definitely gonna want to go pick it up while it's on sale. And I will see you next time. Thank you.